Ever woken up in a cold sweat, heart pounding, wondering if your digital assets are truly safe? In an increasingly interconnected world, where our financial lives are migrating online at lightning speed, the security of our cryptocurrency holdings isn't just a concern, it's a fundamental necessity. We've all heard the horror stories, hacks, phishing scams, stolen funds, and the devastating impact they have on individuals who simply wanted to participate in the exciting world of digital finance. It's a wild west out there, and while the promise of decentralized finance is immense, so too are the risks if you're not adequately prepared. Think about it. Your hard-earned money, whether it's invested in Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other digital asset, resides on platforms that are constantly targeted by malicious actors. These aren't just petty thieves, these are sophisticated, organized cybercriminals who employ advanced techniques to exploit vulnerabilities. And while platforms like Newton invest heavily in security, the ultimate responsibility for protecting your account often rests, at least in part, with you. It's not enough to simply create an account and hope for the best. Proactive, vigilant security practices are paramount. Consider the potential fallout. A compromised account could mean the irreversible loss of your entire crypto portfolio. Beyond the financial loss, there's the emotional toll, the stress, the feeling of violation, the arduous process of trying to recover what's gone, often to no avail. This isn't a hypothetical scenario, it's a stark reality for countless individuals who have fallen victim to cyber attacks. That's why understanding and implementing robust security measures is not just recommended, it's absolutely critical. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can fortify your Newton account, turning it into a digital fortress against potential threats. Newton, as many of you know, is a popular and user-friendly platform for buying and selling cryptocurrencies in Canada. Its accessibility and ease of use are a major draw, but with that accessibility comes the responsibility of understanding how to leverage its security features effectively. We'll be covering everything from the foundational basics that are often overlooked to more advanced strategies that can significantly enhance your protection. This isn't just a theoretical discussion. We'll be breaking down actionable steps you can take right now to secure your funds and gain peace of mind. So, if you're ready to take control of your crypto security, let's get started. The first, and arguably most crucial, layer of defense for your Newton account is your password. I know, it sounds incredibly basic, but you'd be surprised how many people still use easily guessable passwords or worse, reuse the same password across multiple platforms. This is akin to using the same key for your front door, your car, and your safe deposit box. If one is compromised, everything is compromised. Your Newton password should be strong, unique, and complex. What does that mean in practice? Aim for at least 12 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using personal information like your birth date, pet's name, or common phrases. Forget password 123 or Newton rocks. These are child's play for brute force attacks. Instead, think about using a password manager. Tools like LastPass, 1Password, or Bitwarden can generate incredibly strong, unique passwords for all your accounts and store them securely, requiring you to remember only one master password. This is a game changer for digital security and something I cannot recommend highly enough. Don't write your password down on a sticky note next to your computer. That defeats the entire purpose. Moving beyond your password, we arrive at the undisputed champion of online account security, two-factor authentication, or 2FA. If you're not using 2FA on your Newton account, stop what you're doing right now and enable it. Seriously, this is non-negotiable. 2FA adds an extra layer of security beyond just your password. Even if a malicious actor somehow manages to get their hands on your password, they still won't be able to access your account without this second factor. Newton offers a few options for 2FA, but the most secure by far is using an authenticator app. Apps like Google Authenticator or Authy generate a time-sensitive, rotating code on your smartphone. Every 30 to 60 seconds, a new code is generated. When you log into Newton, after entering your password, you'll be prompted to enter this code from your Authenticator app. This means that even if someone has your password, they would also need physical access to your phone to get the code. SMS-based 2FA, where code is sent via text message, is better than nothing, but it's generally considered less secure than authenticator apps because SMS messages can be intercepted through SIM swapping attacks. So, prioritize the authenticator app. It's a small inconvenience for a massive boost in security. Now, let's talk about the security of the devices you use to access your Newton account. This is often an overlooked vector for attacks. Whether it's your smartphone, tablet, or desktop computer, these devices are potential entry points for malware, keyloggers, and other malicious software designed to steal your credentials. Firstly, always keep your operating system and all your software updated. Software updates aren't just about new features, they often include critical security patches that fix vulnerabilities exploited by attackers. Running outdated software is like leaving a gaping hole in your security wall. Enable automatic updates whenever possible. Secondly, install reputable antivirus and anti-malware software on your devices and keep them updated. Run regular scans to detect and remove any threats. Don't download software from untrusted sources or click on suspicious links in emails or text messages. These are classic phishing tactics designed to trick you into installing malware. Thirdly, be incredibly careful when using public Wi-Fi networks. These networks are often unsecured and can be easily monitored by malicious actors. If you must access your Newton account on a public Wi-Fi network, use a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet traffic, making it much harder for anyone to snoop on your online activity. Ideally, avoid accessing sensitive financial accounts on public Wi-Fi altogether. Phishing attacks remain one of the most prevalent and effective methods for compromising cryptocurrency accounts. Phishing is a deceptive tactic where attackers impersonate legitimate entities, like Newton, to trick you into revealing your login credentials or other sensitive information. These often come in the form of emails, text messages, or even fake websites. Always be suspicious of unsolicited emails or messages, especially those asking you to click on a link or provide personal information. Newton will never ask you for your password or 2FA codes via email or text. Always double-check the sender's email address. Attackers often use very similar-looking addresses to try and fool you. Look for subtle misspellings, unusual domains, or generic greetings instead of your name. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.